Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. Migrating Radiant from V1 to V2. If you have been part of the Radiant ecosystem, I think 7 months ago, this is really funny. I know the YouTube channel has grown a lot since then, but 7 months ago, and do let me know in the comments. Be like one of the guys, don't be like the other guy. We're going to have some fun here. I did a video on Radiant Capital. It was at around, I think we bought it around 9 cents, 10 cents. By the time I did the video, it was around 12 cents. And it was at the time giving around 630% APY, which I'm a big fan of. 40% a month, I'll take it. Thank you. And I bought $656 worth of tokens, which was around 6,800 tokens. And after all the, let's open up my MetaMask here. After all the staking, I don't know. I think right now I have around 10,000. I have around 10,000 Radiant. This is V1. I had it staked the whole time. It's been earning me money every single day and appreciating in price. And look what's really funny. There was only one comment on this. Matthew, way back in the day, 6 months. Hey, I bought in at 7 cents. Expect to double up by end of the year. I hope Matthew has held. And I really feel big things are coming for Radiant. So not only did Matthew earn a bunch of Radiant tokens, he's also tripled or quadrupled his bag in value. And he's probably also added a nice, I don't know, 40, 50, 60% in more tokens. Now I bought 6,000 tokens. Now I'm at 10,000. So I have almost doubled the amount of tokens I have just for staking it. We do this across many different projects. Then be like Matthew. Buy early. Don't be like Elio. LOL. 1 subscriber. A sad man. I'm telling you. A sad man. Anyway, so Radiant has migrated to V2. If you go into v1.radiant capital, so basically if you just go to Radiant Capital, I'll walk you through this just so you can, if you do have some tokens. You go into Radiant, it'll automatically get you into the V2. I'm going to click here to go to V1. I'm going to go click here to migrate to V2. It's going to ask me a bunch of questions. It's very, very clean. Now, also, what you don't know is I also... Radiant has given me, I've already taken some out because I moved my USDC out. Yeah, it still has 26 there. Anyways, for staking Radiant, I was getting rewards in USDC and DAI in USDT. And so I had to pull those out. I already have, but then I thought I'll shoot a video. Anyway, this all makes sense. First thing you're going to do is you're going to claim your protocol fees. So I had a ton of fees here. I've claimed them. You will do that. Once you're done, you're going to claim, you're going to say, yep, I've claimed them all. Continue. If you have any Radiant and wrapped ETH in a liquidity pool, you're going to have to unstake it. If you already have, you're just going to continue. You're also going to withdraw your collateral assets. So as I've been there, I've been earning all of these USDC, USDT, DAI. I've already done that, but you'll just visit the dashboard and you'll withdraw your assets from V1. Then it's going to ask you to deposit your collateral. I'm not going to deposit any for now. Continue. Unlock the full potential. Hey, do you want to add some liquidity pool tokens? 80% Radiant, 20% ETH. Would you like to? Would you like to not? For now, I'll just skip it. You can stake it for 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, or 1 month. And you can, you could double your money in a year if you want. For now, I'm just going to migrate. I have 10,060 tokens. I'm going to max that. And I'm going to migrate to V1. It's going to ask me probably a question here. Max, thank you. Next, 18 cents. Approval. What is this worth right now? So I bought around $600 worth of this stuff. What is this? Next, confirm 2 of 2. Perfect. While that's doing its thing, let's go Radiant. Yeah, it's a long-term hold for me, so... oh, no comma, that's why. Yeah, so $600 to $3,000 or $3,200. Not bad. At the top, it looked like it almost peaked 50 cents. This is a very long-term hold for me. I'm not going anywhere. I will be adding into liquidity pool, but for now, I just wanted to pull it out. Migration complete. Good. I'm going to add V2 Radiant, my 10,000 of the V2 Radiant into my wallet. Thank you. Continue. Now I am in Radiant V2, and I'm going to make some new choices on how I want to keep earning this Radiant because I likey. I like it a lot. I will probably move my assets back onto this platform. So I'm going to go, it's probably the exact same thing. Haven't played with it too much. I've been busy. It's probably in here. And I'm just going to be, I will definitely be doing some DLP tokens. But I also wanted to ensure that, here it was, borrow, and you get 22% APR on it, crazy, and deposit. Yeah, so I'll probably put up a bunch of collateral, and then I'll probably take a loan out, and I'll be earning Radiant tokens for doing so. So I'll probably do that, and I'll do it across the board here. Yeah, I'll probably do it across the board, but that'll be on another video. Anyways, do migrate over to V2. Not a crazy rush, but do it anyways because your V1 ain't doing nothing. And you'll find it here. There it is, my Radiant tokens. And my Radiant tokens here are gone. I can literally just go in here and I can go remove, clean things up a little bit. And now I got my Radiant tokens here. Nice and safe. And I'm going to make sure that I keep earning so I can have 11, 12, 14, 15,000 of Radiant tokens in the near future. And when I do decide to sell a little bit for some profit, I'll be a happy man. And we do this across the board. This is one big upgrade we're doing into our Underdog Investor Group, which is formerly known as the CryptoLabs Passive Income Membership. The Underdog Investor Group will be covering a lot of projects like this, where you can earn an income beyond just PIP, passive income projects. And I think what a lot of people do wrong is they earn money in their passive income projects, but they never move it anywhere. I move it into BTC. I move it into ETH. I move it into Avalanche. I've been stacking up on Avalanche. Then I'll find ways to stake those. I find low cap gems. I'll ride a nice little 20, 30, 40% pump on a low cap and sell for profit. I find small cap, mid cap projects for long term, like Radiant. I choose the top 20, 25 big cap at dollar cost average. And then when your passive income projects fail, which they will, you've been moving profits and you're never starting back at zero. Now you have assets, you have collateral. You could even take a loan against that collateral if you wanted to. That's dangerous land, but I'm just saying you're stacking. And I think a lot of people are getting that wrong. So we're updating or upgrading our membership into the Underdog Investor Group. Price will be increasing quite dramatically. We are offering a much higher level service. We're also going to have a coaching program rolling out, which is kind of like the tier 2 of the CryptoLabs Passive Income or the Underdog Investor Group. We also deal with airdrops. We deal with a bunch of fun stuff. So if you want more details on that, you can still check it out. You can still get in at $97 a month, and that will lock you in forever. If you wait too long, the price will increase. It's still ridiculous value for what you get, but just know the price will increase, and we're going to have 2 different tiers. Right now, join at $97 a month, and you'll have access to everything for $97 a month for infinite or for definite. There's a word there, for infinity. I don't know. For as long as you stay with us, you get the old member pricing. So I'll leave the link below. Hopefully this was helpful in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I'm going to get out of here, and we'll talk soon. Peace.